Today we're going to learn how to make an origami heart. For that we're going to need a square sheet of paper, and then we're going to need to cut that square sheet of paper in half. If you don't have a square sheet of paper, I'll show you now quickly how to get one. Fold it diagonally like that. If you're a child, get an adult to help you. Scissors are dangerous. You could seriously hurt or injure yourself or someone else. You're going to want to cut off the extra piece here. As you see, I've already started. And then you'll end up with a square sheet of paper like that. Then you're going to want to fold that square sheet of paper in half. Just like that. Then you're going to want to cut that in half. You'll end up with a piece of paper like that, roughly. Okay. Now, these are great for Valentine's Day or parties or just anything in general. For your spouse or loved ones or family members to show that you love or care for them. Now, these are like bookmarks or whatever you want to use them for, but they're great for bookmarks. So we're going to fold it in half like that. Okay? So we're going to fold it in half like that. Okay? So we got it folded in half. Now we got the top portion of the paper is the open portion. Now we're going to fold it in half again the other way. So fold it in half again the other way. Like that. It doesn't want to fold because my crease didn't turn out good. Whatever. So we got it like that now, right? Now you open up the paper and you should see a fold right here in the middle. Ignore these folds. They're from a previous attempt at a bookmark. Previous failed attempt. Now we're going to fold up the paper. You still have the opening up here, right? Now we're going to fold up the paper to that middle line we just made. Fold up the other side too. So we got both sides up. Now we're going to do the same here with this one. Fold it up and then fold the other side as well. Okay, now we got it like this, okay? Now, we're going to flip it over. Now, I suggest using a small piece of tape or something to hold the two halves together. Now, I suggest sticking it like right here. That way it's holding it all. So just a very small piece. You don't have to, but it makes it a lot better and it holds them together. So I suggest using a small piece of tape, just right there. And it holds it all together. Okay? Now, we're going to fold down the top portions to start forming the top of the heart. So I'm going to fold this down just a little bit. Straight across. Here, I'm going to put a bigger piece of tape right down the center there. Just to hold the two halves better together. Okay? I'm going to fold that down. I'll fold this down the same amount. Okay? I'm going to do the same on this one. I'm going to fold the top down just a little bit. Fold the other side evenly. Just a little bit. See? Now we got it like that. Okay? Now we're going to take the four corners, and we're going to fold them in diagonally. Kind of like that. Right? And do it to all four corners. So when you're taping the center, you don't want to tape too far up. So if you do, you won't be able to fold this. Okay. And now this side. And then flip it over, and ta-da! You have an origami heart-shaped bookmark. Just so it lasts longer, I'm going to take some tape and tape up the corners. All four corners. And that way, this will last a lot longer. See? There we go. A nice origami bookmark. So just to finish this one off, we're going to do that, that, a little bit lower, right, like that. We'll tape down those corners. And there we go. We got our origami heart bookmarks. That you create for Valentine's Day or holidays or any kind of parties or anything. Your loved ones or gift ideas of any sort, nice little crafts. Great for Valentine's. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these. Have a great day.